How to fix Fortnite has crashed. We're very sorry that this happened and we're working towards preventing this in the future. So if you're facing this problem and your Fortnite is crashing when you're launching the game, here is a video and I'll show you some simple steps in order to fix this problem. Now the major reason for why this problem is occurring is because of high resolution textures. Basically what happens if you're updating, or let's say you're installing your Fortnite for the very first time from Epic Games launcher, and there's an option which is called as high resolution textures. Many people don't untick that and simply install the game with everything selected. So if you have done that, so I would highly recommend you to uninstall your game and install the game one more time, but this time don't choose high resolution textures and then try your game. 90% of your crashes problem will be fixed. Because it may happen that your graphic card is not capable enough to play those high resolution textures or to display those high resolution textures, but still it is trying to. And that is the reason your game is not stable and it is crashing. So if you have a decent connection or a good network, then simply uninstall the game, install it one more time, but this time don't choose high resolution textures. The next step is you have to go to your Fortnite directory. In your directory, you have to go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then scroll down and find the Fortnite application. The best way to find it is you will see the size of the application is the highest, so that you have to choose, right click on it and then go to properties. Click on compatibility, and over here you have to first disable full screen optimization, and you have to run this program on any of the other versions, maybe Windows 7 or Windows 8. I would recommend you to try on Windows 8, click on apply, and then try your game. Next step, what you have to do is you have to go to your search bar and type over here run, and over here you have to type %app data %. Once app data opens, you have to go to app data, go to local, and from here you have to find Fortnite game. Go to saved, config, Windows client, and you'll find this file called as game user settings. Now what you can do is you can make a copy of this file. Simply just copy the file and just put it somewhere else. And once you have copied that file, delete this file from here. You have to just choose it, permitted, delete it. Why you need to copy that file is if something wrong happens, you can bring that file back over here so that all your settings are back. Because this file, if I open this file, it's gonna have all the settings that you have chosen. That is from visuals, from textures, from graphics, from FPS, frames, resolutions, everything this file has. So what we are doing is we're deleting all the settings which you have kept, and maybe because of that reason it is crashing. So you have changed some default settings to something that is not capable for the game in order to run it. So you delete this file, and once you have deleted the file, then you run your game. This file will automatically come back. It will choose the default settings and then it will automatically come back. Your settings will be gone. That is whatever you have chosen, textures, graphics, you have to choose that again. And then try your game, see if that helps. If anything wrong happens and you're facing a new issue, simply delete the new file that has been created and bring that old file and paste it over here. The next step, what you can do is, it may happen that in your PC or in your laptop, wherever you play the game, the correct version of the DirectX and Visual C++ may not be installed. For this, what you have to do is, you have to download all the DirectX version and the Visual C++ and install them in your PC. Even if they're installed, you will get an option to repair. Here's how to get them. Open any one of your browser. So as you can see over here, I've opened the browser and I have searched DirectX download, and simply click on the very first link which comes out. It should be written Microsoft with it, so make sure you see that, and simply you can simply click on download. It will download DirectX 9, 10, 11, audio, all the things which are required for your computer. So if you don't have these, make sure to download it, all the runtime, and install it on your computer, and then you are good to go. Also, one more thing, you can download the Visual C++ as well. So simply type Visual C++ download over here. Same thing, it will come latest support Visual C++ redistributions. You can scroll down and you can see which are required. So it has 15, 17, 19, and 22. In my computer, I have till the latest one. You can also download it and put it so that you don't get any kind of issues regarding all this. Next step would be to close all your background apps and delete all the temporary files. For this, you have to go to your search bar and type over there background apps. And as you can see over here, I'm not using any of the background apps which are there, as all of them are completely off because they take a lot of resources and all those things, so I don't need any of them. So you can decide which one you want. I have just simply turned off everyone, but if you feel like you want some of them, you can on them. But I would recommend you to off as many as possible which are not required. This will also make your memory a little bit more free and the game much more stable. To delete all the temporary files, you have to simply go ahead into the search bar and type in run over there and type %temp%. So this is the temporary folder where all the temporary files are located. Simply select everything and just permanently delete them. Next step, what you have to do is you have to open your Epic Games launcher, and over here you have to click on your account and go to settings. From here you have to scroll down to the very bottom. You will find the word Fortnite, and there you will find a small little triangle over here, which is a tilted triangle. So you click on it and you're gonna see additional command line arguments. Over here you have to give a small dash like this, as you can see, and you have to write D3 D11. What does it mean? That I'm forcing the game in order to run it on DirectX 11 if by chance your graphic card is not capable of running DirectX 12, but still you're running the game without making it run in DirectX 11. That means you're getting the crash. That is the reason you're getting the crash. So now we are forcing the game in order to run it on DirectX 11. So now we are forcing the game in order to run it only on DirectX 11 and not on 12, so that it doesn't face any crashes. Once you have done that, close your Epic Games launcher, restart your PC, turn it on, play the game, see if that helps. So that was the video. Hope this video helped you. If it did, please don't forget the like button. If you are still facing the error or any other crashes, put down in the comment section, or here is my Twitter. You can go ahead, put a screenshot of the error that you're facing. Don't forget to tag me. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, hitting the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.